You see the next question. Tan inverse root x plus root a by 1 minus root x a. You can take y is equal to tan inverse root x plus root a by 1 minus root x into root a. Okay, root x a, that is root x into root a. Y is equal to tan inverse. This we can write tan inverse root x plus tan inverse root a. Differentiate with respect to x. dy by dx is equal to dy by dx of tan inverse root x plus tan inverse root a. Tan inverse root x equal to 1 by 1 plus x square. Here in the place of x, root x is given root x square. Again, derivative of root x. Tan inverse root a is constant, so derivative of constant is equal to 0. Okay, plus 0. dy by dx is equal to 1 by 1 plus x. Derivative of root x, that is 1 by 2 root x, is equal to 1 by 2 root x 1 plus x is equal to 1 by 2 root x plus x to the power 3 by 2. Pause the video, note it down. You see the next question, sin inverse 2x by 1 plus x square. Differentiate the following function by proper substitution. You take y is equal to sin inverse 2x by 1 plus x square. Put x is equal to tan theta. Okay, y is equal to sin inverse 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. Okay, y is equal to sin inverse 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta, that is sin 2 theta. Y is equal to 2 theta. Sin inverse, sin will cancel out. Y is equal to 2. Theta is equal to how much? Tan inverse x. 2 tan inverse x. Okay, differentiate with respect to x. dy by dx is equal to dy by dx of 2 tan inverse x. dy by dx is equal to 2 derivative of tan inverse x, that is 1 by 1 plus x square is equal to 2 by 1 plus x square. Pause the video, note it down. You see the next question. The question is given y is differentiate the following function by proper substitution. Sec inverse root over a square plus x square by a. You take y is equal to sec inverse root over a square plus x square by a. Okay, you take put x is equal to a tan theta, then y is equal to sec inverse a square plus x square, that is a square tan square theta by a. Okay, y is equal to sec inverse a square tan square theta, taking common a square, that is 1 plus tan square theta by a. Here root given. Y is equal to sec inverse a 1 plus tan square theta, that is sec theta by a will cancel out. Y is equal to sec theta. Y is equal to sec inverse. Y is equal to sec inverse sec theta. Therefore y is equal to theta. Theta is equal to how much here? You see, a tan theta is equal to x. Tan theta is equal to x by a. Theta is equal to tan inverse x by a. So we can write y is equal to tan inverse x by a. Okay, implies y differentiate with respect to x. differentiate with respect to x, dy by dx is equal to d by dx of tan inverse x by a. Okay, is equal to 1 by 1 plus x square, that is x square by a square, and to derivative of x by a. Okay, is equal to 1 by, is equal to, here you see how much, is equal to 1 by, this is a square plus x square by a square into derivative of x by a, that is 1 by a. Okay, pause the video, note it down. Is equal to a square by a square plus x square into 1 by a will cancel out. Okay, is equal to, you write down here a by a square plus x square, dy by dx is equal to a by a square plus x square. Pause the video, note it down. Differentiate the following by proper substitution. The question is given sin inverse 2 root over t square minus 1 by t square. Here you put t is equal to sec theta. Okay, theta is equal to sec inverse t. You take y is equal to sin inverse 2 t square 2 root over t square minus 1 by t square. Y is equal to sin inverse 2 sec square theta minus 1 by sec square theta. Sec square theta minus 1 root over. Y is equal to sin inverse 2 sec square theta minus 1, that is tan square theta. Tan square theta root, that is tan theta by sec square theta. Y is equal to sin inverse 2 tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta. Sec square theta is equal to 1 by cos square theta. Okay, y is equal to sin inverse 2 sin theta by cos theta into cos square theta by 1. Square and cos theta will cancel out. Y is equal to sin inverse sin 2 theta, 2 sin theta into cos theta, that is sin 2 theta. Y is equal to 2 theta. Okay, y is equal to theta is equal to sec inverse t. Differentiate with respect to t. dy by dt is equal to d by dt of 2 sec inverse t is equal to 2 sec inverse t is equal to 1 by mod x root over x. This is not x, this is t given, t root over mod t to 1 by mod t root over t square minus 1 is equal to 2 by mod t root over t square minus 1. Pause the video, note it down. Cos inverse 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square. Put t is equal to tan theta. Okay, y is equal to cos inverse 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta. Y is equal to cos inverse 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square, that is cos 2 theta. So y is equal to 2 theta. Okay, that is y is equal to 2, theta is equal to tan inverse t, tan inverse t, differentiate with respect to t, dy by dt is equal to d by dt of 2 tan inverse t is equal to 2 tan inverse t, that is 1 by 1 plus t square is equal to 2 by 1 plus t square. Pause the video, note it down. You see the next question, cos inverse 2t square minus 1. You take y is equal to cos inverse 2t square minus 1. Put t is equal to cos theta. Theta is equal to cos inverse t. Y is equal to cos inverse 2 cos square theta minus 1. Y is equal to cos inverse cos 2 theta. Y is equal to cos inverse cos theta will cancel out 2 theta. Y is equal to how much? Y is equal to 2 theta means cos inverse t. Differentiate with respect to t. dy by dt is equal to d by dt of 2 cos inverse t. dy by dt is equal to 2 is constant, cos inverse t, that is minus 1 by 1 minus t square root over. Okay, is equal to minus 2 by root over 1 minus t square. Pause the video, note it down.